We will discuss today about the important words of the chapter 1. There is some important words like history, specific nature, racialism, slavery, etc. So just look in your textbook. The first word in important word is history. History in the previous class we have already discussed about it. In those subject or in which subject we are studying about our past is known as history. The second one is the specific nature, different feature that make something special. uh, what changes, what natures, what kind of things at the special places or particular places, that is the special specific nature. Culture, the customs or beliefs are the way of life and the social organization of a particular country and the society. Culture means the what kind of lifestyle we have, what kind of beliefs we have, in which religion we are believes in a, or what kind of society in which we are used to live. These are the culture. Suppose that if you go through the Rajasthan, there is a different kind of culture, and if you go through the Assam, there is the different kind of culture. If you go to Jharkhand, there is a different kind of culture. So, culture means the what kind of behavior the people have, the what kind of society in which the people used to live, or what type of beliefs they have. Civilization, it is an advanced stage or system of a human social development. Civilization means the what kind of social or cultural changes in the human's life is known as the civilization. The different era have a different civilization. Different era means there is the lots of civilization we will study, like Harappa civilization, Mohenjo-daro civilization. Civilization means the what kind of culture, what kind of society, what kind of our daily routine, what kind of beliefs. These all over is known as the civilization. The second one is the racialism. Racialism, the belief that each race or ethnic group has a specific quality and ability that distinguishes it as inferior or superior to another such a group. Our society were divided into groups. Our civilization was divided into groups. Like these people have a different kind of quality, and people have a different kind of quality. So those people are divided into groups. आज भी आप देख सकते हैं अपने सोसाइटी के अंदर कि जैसे पूरी सोसाइटी आपकी क्या है कि जाति के आधार पे, धर्म के आधार पे, समुदाय के आधार पे डिवाइडेड है. तो उसको हम क्या कहते हैं? रेसिलिज. स्लेवरी, नेक्स्ट वन इज द स्लेवरी. Slavery, the state of a person who is legally owned by another person and is forced to work for them and cannot make their own decision. Slavery means our whole life controlled by the another one. It is known as the slavery. That suppose that there is some peoples who ruled over us, so we all slave to that people. मीन्स यदि कोई यहाँ पे कोई व्यक्ति है या कोई राजा है जो हमारे ऊपर राज करता है, तो हम उसके क्या हो जाते हैं, स्लेव हो जाते हैं। वो हम अपनी कोई डिसीजन नहीं ले पाते, वो हमें बताता है कि हमें कब क्या करना है, कैसे करना है। मीन्स हमारे डेली लाइफ में, हमारे डेली रूटीन पे उसका कंट्रोल होता है। इसी को हम क्या कहते हैं, स्लेवरी। इसको जातीयता कहते हैं या जातिगत भेदभाव, या इसको हम कहते हैं दासता। स्लेव का मतलब होता है दास। इम्पोर्टेंट पॉइंट्स, सारी चीज़ें हम लोग ऑलरेडी इस चैप्टर में पढ़ चुके हैं कि हिस्ट्री क्या है ना, उस समय के लोग कैसे रहते थे, कैसे इम्पोर्टेंट स्किल एंड क्वालिटी इनेबल्स होती थी और डेवलप होता था सिविलाइजेशन के अंदर। सो इट्स अ टाइम टू सॉल्व द क्वेश्चन। सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, जस्ट complete your question answer, and if you have any issue or any doubts related to while we are solving the question, so just post your doubts in a group. I'll explain to you. So in the next class we will start the chapter 2nd of the civics. We will learn the one chapter history, from one chapter civics, and one chapter from the geography. Then one again we came to history, then civics, then history. So we have completed our first chapter of history. So in the next class we will start understanding diversity. Understanding diversity. So just revise this chapter and your textbooks. We will start in the next class. It's the first chapter of civics, and if you didn't post any doubts or any query, we just go to that chapter. We will not describe. So if you have any doubts, just post your doubts in a group. We will consider it. Thank you, students.